Today's video about multiple choice questions, MCQ objectives of marketing management, Department of Agriculture Business Management. Multiple choice questions of marketing management. Part 3rd. So the objective number 1, marketing is a process which aims at, options are selling products, maximizing profits, satisfying customers, and last one is producing. So the answer is satisfying customers. Next objective, many people want a BMW but only a few are able to buy is examples of. So the options are need, want, demand and status. So the answer is demand. Next objective, dash dash is the father of modern marketing. So the options are Peter Drucker, Philip Kotler, Adam Smith and Henry Fayol. So the answer is Philip Kotler. Next objective, marketing is dash dash. Options are art, science, both and neither. So the answer is both, art and science. Next objective, the buying process starts when the buyer recognized at dash dash. So the options are product and advertisements for product, a salesperson from a previous visit, and last one is problem or need. So the answer is problem or need. Next objective, dash 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 refers to collecting goods of the same type from various sources of supply. Options are buying, selling, assembling and financing. So the answer is assembling. Next objective is which functions help in place utility. Options are transportation, financing, risk bearing and selling. So the answer is transportation. Next objective, which functions gives time utility. So the options are transportation, financing, risk bearing and warehousing. So the answer is warehousing. Next objectives, the standardized grade name for agricultural product is dash dash dash. Options are Agmark, ISI, Avin, BIS. So the answer is ISI. Next objective, aggressive selling is a characteristic of which of the following concept of marketing. Options are select correct option from the following. So the options are production concept, marketing concept, selling concept and product concept. So the answer is selling concept. Next objective, adding new features to a product is advocated by which of the approaches. So the options are product approach, production approach, marketing approach and selling approach. So the answer is product approach. Next objective, one of the key tasks of marketers is dash dash and to create customer perceptions that the product is worth purchasing. So the options are to make products easy, visible and available, to promote sales of products, to differentiate their products from those of competitors, and last one is to do marketing surveys. So the correct answer is to differentiate their products from those of competitors. Next objective, which one of the following best describes the human need? So the options are food, French fries, burger and pizza. So the answer is food. Next objective, provide provides fast and accurate marketing information. So the options are marketing information system, management information system, maintenance information system and all of the above. So the correct answer is marketing information system. Next objective, includes the complete analysis of the market. So the options are marketing research, management research, maintenance research and all of the above. So the correct answer is marketing research. Next objective, is a function of physical supply. So the options are transportation, financing, risk bearing and selling. So the correct answer is transportation. Next objective, is a means to reduce risk. Options are insurance, financing, risk bearing and selling. So the correct answer is insurance. Next objective, the word market is derived from the Latin word . So the options are marketing, marketus, marque or marketus. So the correct answer is marketus. Next objective, Stock Exchange of Mumbai is an example for . Examples, options are perfect market, manufacturer market, imperfect market and regulated market. So the correct answer is regulated market. Next objective, is a connecting link between the consumer and the producer. Options are marketing, selling, consumptions and buying. So the correct answer is marketing. Next objective, anything that can be offered to a market for attention, acquisitions, use or consumptions that might satisfy a want or need is called. Options are idea, demand, product and service. So the correct answer is product. The next objective, the most basic level of a product is called the, options are core product, central product, fundamental product and augmented product. So the correct answer is core product. Next objective, product exceeds customer expectations. Options are strategic, superior, augmented and anticipated. So the correct answer is augmented. Next objective, identify the products that the customer usually buys frequently and with a minimum of comparison and buying effort. So the options are specialty, convenience, unsought and augmented. So the correct answer is convenience. Next objective, bread and milk are which kind of products? Options are specialty product, convenience products, shopping products and unsought products. So the correct answer is convenience product. Next objective, which of the following is not included in product decisions? So the options are styling, brand name, warehousing and packaging. So the correct answer is warehousing. Next objective, if actual performance of the product exceed the expected performance of the product, then customer is dash dash. So the options are satisfy, dissatisfy, deleted and neutral. So the correct answer is deleted. Next objective, who pioneered sachet strategy in shampoos? So the options are Clinic Plus, Chic, Sunsilk and Dove. So the correct answer is Chic. Next objective, which of the following is a name, term, sign, symbol, design or combination of these that identifies that maker or seller of a product or service? Options are label, co-brand, brand and product. So the correct answer is brand. Next objective, the dash dash identifies the products or brand. So the options are container, label, advertisement and warranty. So the correct answer is label. Next objective, there are dash dash stages in product life cycle. So the options is 1, 2, 3 and 5. So the correct answer is 5. Next objective, FMCG stands for financial, mind price customer goods, fast moving consumer goods, financial moving customer goods and fast mid priced customer goods. So the correct answer is fast moving consumer goods. Next objective, dash dash ensures protection against leakage. So the options are grading, standardizing, packaging and labeling. So the correct answer is packaging. Next objective, dash dash is a bundle of utilities. So the options are product, price, promotion and physical distribution. So the answer is product. Next objective, price is the only element in the marketing mix that produces. Options are fixed cost, expense, variable cost and revenue. So the correct answer is revenue. Next objective, the skimming, penetration, bargaining and bundling are decided in the dash dash of the marketing mix strategy. So the options are price decision, flash decision, product decision and promotional decision. So the correct answer is price decision. Next objectives, rupees 199.199 is the examples for dash dash pricing. So the options are skimming pricing, penetration pricing, odd pricing or even pricing. So the correct answer is odd pricing. Next objective is pricing is the approach of setting a low initial price in order to attract a large number of buyers quickly and win a large market share. So the options are skimming, penetration, psychological and cost based. So the correct answer is penetration. Next objective, markup pricing is also called as dash dash. Options are cost pricing, marginal pricing, cost plus pricing and cost based pricing. So the correct answer is cost plus pricing. Next objective, customary pricing is adapted for dash dash. So the options are confectionery, railways, shoes, all of the above. So the correct answer is confectionery. Next objective, which of the following is not considered a type of reseller? So the Options are wholesaler, retailer, manufacturer, and distributor. So the correct answer is manufacturer. Next objective, which of the following four P's of marketing mix involve decision regarding channels, coverage, assortment, location, inventories, or transports? So the options are product, price, place, and promotion. Correct answer is place. Next objective, Flipkart, Amazon are examples of. Options are departmental stores, chain stores, cooperative stores, and online stores. So the correct answer is online stores. Next objective, which of the following take place at a retailer's end? So the options are promotion, placing, pricing, and exchange. So the correct answer is exchange. Next objective, manufacturer, consumer is examples for dash level channel. So the options are 0, 1, 2, and 3. So the correct answer is 0 level channel. Next objective, manufacturer, wholesaler, or retailer, consumer is an examples for dash level channel. So the options are 0, 1, 2, and 3. So the correct answer is 2. Next objective, manufacturer, retailer, consumer is a examples for dash level channel. So the options are 0, 1, 2, and 3. So the correct answer is 1. Next objective, manufacturer, wholesaler, agent, retailer, consumer is an example for dash level channel. Options are 0, 1, 2, and 3. So the correct answer is 3. Next objectives, sales to the ultimate consumer, and options are wholesaler, agent, retailer, and none of the above. So the correct answer is retailer sells to the ultimate consumer. Next objectives are mail order system is an example for dash level channel. So the options are 0, 1, 2, and 3. So the correct answer is 0. Next objective, the word promotion originated from the Latin word. So the options are promo, promovere, promote, and promota. So the correct answer is promovere. Next objective, how are you telling consumers in your target group about your product? These questions belongs to which marketing concept? So the options are product, price, place, and promotion. So the correct answer is promotion. Next objective, the promotion P for marketing is also known as. So the options are product differentiation, distribution, cost, and communication. So the correct answer is communication. Next objective, dash involves mass communication. So the options are personal selling, sales promotion, advertising, and publicity. So the correct answer is advertising. Next objective, AIDA's theory of selling is related to. Options are personal selling, sales promotion, advertising, and publicity. So the correct answer is personal selling. Dash involve a face-to-face oral presentation. So the options are personal selling, sales promotion, advertising, and publicity. So the correct answer is personal selling. Next objective, dash involves paid form of non-personal presentation and promotion of ideas. Options are personal selling, sales promotion, advertising and publicity. Correct answer is advertising. Next object is pre-samples is given to consumers in case of dash dash. Options are personal selling, sales promotion, advertising and publicity. So the correct answer is sales promotion. Next objective, sample coupons contest are part of dash dash. Options are personal selling, sales promotion, advertising and publicity. So the correct answer is sales promotion. Sample coupons contests are part of sales promotion. Next objective, dash dash arranged at exhibition or trade fair encourages the buyers to try and buy the product. So the options are sample, coupon, contests and demo. So the correct answer is demo. Next objective, the aggregate of consumer for a given product is called dash dash. Options are market, marketing, manufacturing and none of the above. So the correct answer is market. Next objective, dividing the market into distinct groups of the buyers with different needs, characteristics or behavior is dash dash. Options are diversification, distribution, segmentation, saturation. So the correct answer is segmentation. Next objective is women's era, oval Ficadin represent. So the options are geographic segmentation, demographic segmentation, psychographic segmentation and behavioral segmentation. So the correct answer is demographic segmentation. Next objective is age, income, gender are grouped under. So the options are demographic segmentation, psychographic segmentation and behavioral segmentation. So the correct answer is demographic segmentation. Next objective, lifestyle, personality, attitude are grouped under. So the options are geographic segmentation, demographic segmentation, psychographic segmentation and none of the above. So the correct answer is psychographic segmentation. Next objective, dash dash is the process of dividing a heterogeneous market into homogeneous submarkets. So the options are market diversification, market distribution, market segmentation and market saturation. So the correct answer is market segmentation. Next objectives, consumers who always buy the same brand are called as. So the options are hardcore loyals, split core loyals, shifting loyals and switchers. So the correct answer is hardcore loyals. Next objective, consumers who always loyal to 2 or 3 brand are called. So the options are hardcore loyals, split core loyals and shifting loyals and last one is switchers. So the correct answer is split core loyals. Next objective is consumers who shift from one brand to another is called. Options are hardcore loyals, split core loyals and shifting loyals and switchers. So the correct answer is shifting loyals. Next objective, consumers who show no loyalty to any brand are called. Options are hardcore loyals, split core loyals, shifting loyals and switchers. So the correct answer is switchers. Next objective is which are the activities that form a part of the marketing mix. So the options are product, price, production, place. Next option, packaging, point, price, place. Next option, product, price, promotion, place and last one is product, price, production and packaging. So the correct answer is product, price, promotion and place. Next objective, give the stages in product life cycle. So the options are introducing, down fail, up fail, saturation and decline. Next options are introduction, growth, maturity, saturation and decline. Next options is introducing, starter, growth, maturity, decline, and last one is introducing, starter, growth, saturation and decline. So the correct answer is introducing, growth, maturity, saturation and decline. These are the stages of product life cycle. Next objective, at a fast food restaurant, what is marketed? Options are goods, service, both, none of the above. So the correct answer is both. Next objective, dash dash is the smallest retailing unit. Options are convenience store, grocery store, general store and departmental store. So the correct answer is convenience store. Next objective, what is marketing? Options are setting up a market stall, buying as many products as you can. Next option, selling as many products as possible. And last option is identifying and satisfying consumer needs and wants. So the correct answer is marketing is identifying and satisfying consumer needs and wants. Next question, market information means. Options are knowledge of industries, knowledge of households, knowledge of customer tastes and all of these. So the correct answer is all of these. Market information means the all of these. Next objective, direct marketing means. So the options are advertisement, banners, face-to-face selling and selling by all staff. So the correct answer is direct marketing means face-to-face selling. Next objective, Colgate is a product of. Options are Palmolive, Hindustan Unilever, P&G and Calvin Klein. So the correct answer is Palmolive. Next objective is Kit Kat is a product of. Options are Cadbury, Nestle, Parle and Britannia. So the correct answer is Nestle. Next one is Sunfest is a product of. So the options is Hindustan Unilever, ITC, Britannia and Parle. So the correct answer is ITC. Next objective, what is the basic property of a service which make it different from a product? Options are safe, size, very expensive and intangibility. So the correct answer is intangibility. Next objective is a dash is an intangible product involving a deed, a performance or an effort that cannot be physically possessed. So the options are system, service, society and activity. So the correct answer is service. Dash is the features of services. Options are tangibility, intangibility, separability and homogeneity. So the answer is homogeneity. So the next objective is dash is a set of all products, lines and items that a particular seller offers for sale. So the options are product mix, product line, product width and product length. So the correct answer is product mix. Next objective is dash refer to total number of items in its product mix. So the options are product mix, product line, product width and product length. So the correct answer is product length. Next objective is dash refer to the number of product line offered by the company. So the options are product mix, product line, product width and product length. So the correct answer is product width. Dash refer to the average number of items offered by the company in each product line. So the options are product mix, product depth, product width and product length. So the correct answer is product depth. Next objective is dash refer to how closely the various product lines are related. So the options are product mix, product consistency, product width and product length. So the correct answer is product consistency. Next objective, data is a part of product which carries verbal information about the product. So the options are label, brand, trademark and packaging. So the correct answer is label. Next objective is data is a legal and indicate ownership for the products. So the options are label, brand, trademark and package. So the correct answer is trademark. Next objective is the Consumer Protection Act was enacted in 1985, 1988, 1987 and 1986. So the correct answer is 1986. Next objective, the Consumer Protection Act extended to, options are the whole India except Nagaland tribal area. Next options are the whole India except Nagaland tribal area and Jammu and Kashmir. And last options are the whole India except Jammu and Kashmir. So the correct answer is the whole India except Jammu and Kashmir. Next objective is the following is not a consumer. So the options are the insurance company, a license to run a phone, a lottery ticket holder, and last one is all of the above. So the correct answer is a lottery ticket holder. Next objective is member of State Consumer Protection Council should not exceed. So the options are 2, 5, 10 and 3. So the correct answer is 10. Next objectives are the chairman of the District Consumer Protection Council is. Options are district magistrate, collector of the district, MP of the district and none of these. So the correct answer is collector of the district. Next objective, president of the district forum is. Options are collector of the district, a person who are qualified as advocate, a person who are qualified to be a district judge and none of these. So the correct answer is a person who are qualified to be district judge. Next objective is jurisdictions of the districts for the rupees. So the options are exceed 20 lakh, exceeds 50 lakh, up to 20 lakh and 20 to 50 lakh. So the correct answer is 20 to 50 lakh. Next objective, any person aggrieved by an order made by the district forum may prefer an appeal such order to the state commission within. So the options are 60 days, 90 days, 1 month and last one 30 days. So the correct answer is 30 days. Next objective, the complaint shall ordinarily be decided within. So the options are 21 days from the date on which the complaint was received. Second options 30 days from the date on which the complaint was received. Third options are 45 days from the date on which the complaint was received. And last one, no time limit. So the correct answer is 21 days from the date on which the complaint was received. Next objective is, so some ways and means of consumer protection followed in the India include. So the options are Lok Adalat, public interest litigation, redress forums and consumer protection councils. All of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above.